Okay, today I'm going to be doing a bike check on my bike, so I'll start from the front. The bars are Shadow Voltus bars, 8.5 rise, with ODI long neck grips, and an Animal Jump Off remix stem, and then a stock headset. And then we have stock Subrosa forks, the stock tire, and a rant front rim with a stock hub. So then the frame is a 2012 Subrosa Tiro. And then the pedals are Shadow Conspiracy pedals with Rant cranks and a Rant C-clamp with a Shadow Conspiracy pivotal seat post and a Subrosa Zombieland pivotal seat. And then we have just stock back tire, and then a Rant back rim with a stock hub. And then the sprocket is the Subrosa Shield sprocket. And then just a stock chain. And I think that's everything. Yeah. Okay, so that's my bike check. Rate, comment, tell me what you think about it. See you.